100 bands, that's light work. 100 bands, whip, 100 bands, drip, understand, chain real, 100 grand.
Man, welcome back to 202J. I don't really know if you can tell, but yeah, I just woke up. But I decided I'd hop on here and make a little video right quick. Because today, I was thinking about making a rate my followers video. But I figured it would be much more fun if I waited for all my friends to be in the video with me. So I figured I should still hop on here and put out a video just to take up the time. So I had a couple of videos in my camera roll that I found from a while ago, but they're still pretty funny, so I figured I would upload those today. So I'm gonna let you see those.
Man, I'm gonna go there first. Let me go there first.
Can I get 3 more of those things? Yeah, the same number and so you can see that camera angle wasn't really that good. So another person was recording. So I'm gonna let you see it from that angle too right now. But to be honest, that whole day was wild. And yes, that guy did call the police on us. But it wasn't all we did. I also did something else at a gas station. So I'm gonna let you see that video right now too. I'm gonna put it up right after this.
Hey, bro, I be trying to find this, bro.
Shouldn't ask me.
No, it is not, bro. I still find it. I've been trying my hardest to find that jump. It is definitely not, bro. I really tried.
Thank you. How much is it? 2. It's good. It's worth the $2. Man, in both situations, both people called the police on us. But of course, I had to dip before they pulled up. But yeah, that's really it for today's video. I hope you liked the 2 videos that I decided to show today. But yeah, just like and subscribe and tell your friends about me. And 202J out.
100 bands when I dip, 100 bands in my clip, 100 men, running man.